Welcome to Beerstory from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video, I'm going to show you how I dry my hops. I've picked some of my hops and I'm going to dry them. I use a dehydrator like this one. You can also use an oven. Just be sure that the temperature can go as low as below 60 degrees Celsius. That's really important because you're going to destroy a lot of the flavors if you dry them too hot. So below 60 C and for about 5 hours. I'm using a dehydrator instead. It's more gentle for the hops. I'll keep it below somewhere between 35 and 40 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna write up here somewhere what that is in Fahrenheit. And then 7 to 9 hours, and basically that's it. When you're using wet hops like this, you have to use about 4 to 6 times the amount if they were dry. This is about 80% water. We need to get below or down to about 10% water instead. In that way they will lose a lot of weight. So when you use these, you can actually you can go 1-to-1 compared to pellets, but according to the new IPA by Scott Janis, whole cones will actually absorb some of the alpha acids back. So if you want the same alpha acid or the same bitterness level, you should use about 25% more. Yeah, but I'll show you how I dry my hops. So take a look here. And now they're just gonna stay in here for about 7 to 9 hours. Make sure you spread them out even in one layer so they don't, so that they will dry out easier. This is just a small amount of hops just to show you how I do it. I've cleaned the dehydrator with Star San and let it air dry. I haven't washed the hops with water or anything. That will just destroy the flavor. If there are any insects in there, they should die from the dehydration. So they should be good to go. And basically that was it. If you want to see a video on when to pick your hops, you can see it somewhere around here. Other than that, just have a happy brewing out there.